Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of exporting a broadcast chat on WhatsApp. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to save and share your important conversations with ease. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Look for the specific broadcast chat that you want to export and tap on it to open the conversation. Step 3. These dots represent the menu or options button. Tap on these dots to open the chat options menu. Step 4. The chat options menu. Scroll down or look for the More option and tap on it. This will expand the list of available actions. Step 5. Among the expanded options, find and tap on Export Chat. This will initiate the process of exporting the chat. Step 6. A list of contacts associated with the broadcast chat will be displayed. Select the contacts you want to include in the exported chat by tapping on their names. Step 7. Finally, tap on the next arrow to proceed. That's it. You have successfully exported your broadcast chat on WhatsApp. You can now save it for future reference or share it with others. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below.